During my recent visit to China, I met with one of our biggest production partners. We discussed the challenges our customers often face at events and shows, especially when it comes to setting up and taking down displays and booths. That's when we got into discussing more about SEG displays, or silicon edge graphic displays as we say. The ease and the benefits, there's so much to it. As you will see in this video, these displays are incredibly easy and convenient to use. It's no wonder they are becoming so popular. With our warehouses in the US, we can quickly turn around SEG displays to meet any deadline, whether you're planning a small event or large-scale exhibition. Connect with us now. We can discuss the options and help you choose the best for your next event. Thank you.